The people of Tobago have spoken. Let the people of Tobago speak again.
Chief Secretary of the Tobago House of Assembly, Orville London, travelled to Port of Spain on Thursday to voice his displeasure with the new committee set up to look at the issue of constitutional reform. He says the people of Tobago have already put forward their position on reform, but are now being asked to accept a new process.
We feel very, very troubled about what has transpired since then.
Mr. London said a THA-appointed committee void of persons with political affiliations conducted island-wide consultations in 2005. 4 years later, based on those consultations, a bill was produced.
May 24th came and the scenario changed. And what we had coming about was a parallel process. So while this process was going on, involving all the people of Tobago, involving all sectors, involving all political parties, the central government of Trinidad and Tobago decided to embark on an alternative process.
Mr. London does not believe that the new round of consultations of the committee, led by Dr. Hamid Ghani, represent a true reflection of what the people of Tobago truly need in a governance model.
I am convinced that the views of the people of Tobago should be placed in the public domain for discussion, debate, and final resolution. Any other option could only lead to unnecessary conflict and confusion.
He produced a petition which he says has been signed by over 5,000 Tobagonians calling for their voices to be heard. He hopes that recommendations from the old committee can at least form the basis of a green paper for public discussion. Mr. London says he has written to the Prime Minister, the Attorney General and the Law Review Commission, asking them not to let the hard work of the THA-appointed committee go to waste. For CNC3, I'm Ria Rambley.